What's good, guys? It's your man Harrison back again with another video. So in today's video, I'm going to be running through Euro USD. So before we get into the video, definitely subscribe to the channel. Let's get your boy to 10k subscribers as well. And also, family, don't forget to like the video. Like the video. Let's try and get 250 likes on this video. Let's get straight into it. So guys, this is Euro USD, so I'm going to quickly break down what's going on and how I managed to get my entry. Obviously, there's been multiple different entries along the way, but this is the one I'm currently in right now, this one over here. Trading is very, very risky. So all I'm going to be doing is sharing my opinion on this chart, okay? You don't have to take it as gold, don't have to take it as solid. You can go ahead and place it in your demo account. Trading comes with a lot of risk, okay? So guys, if you're going to trade on your own terms, right? So guys, check this out, Euro USD. We got equal lows down here. We know there's money down here. We know there's retail stop losses down here. So there's liquidity. So basically down here, what's happening is retail traders, what they do is that they buy at double bottoms, right? And they buy up, right? Obviously in this case, it would have been a sweet buy, but they buy at double bottoms, yeah? But they put their stop loss beneath this low here, right? Beneath this low. So what happens then is that basically there's money down here. Not only there's the buyers stop losses up here, there's also breakout sellers, you know, who are trying to sell this. If price gets beneath this zone, they're going to sell it down. Where's their stop loss? In the zone, right? So in other words, there's lots of money in this area, lots of liquidity in this area, and it's not been taken yet. So check it out. Price came close to it, didn't take it. Yeah. So in other words, people who bought here, where do you think their stop loss is? Beneath the zone. Okay. So in other words, there's lots of money here. You know, and then over here as well, there was also another double top, you know, just exactly the same as this, but just flipped around, right? But they snatched that. And then they went even more and snatched that even more, right? Over here. So they've taken that liquidity over here. And then along the way, you know, there was double bottoms again, which was taken, you know, because basically price just moves to where the money is. Yeah, they generate liquidity, they run liquidity. They generate liquidity, they run liquidity, right? So now check this out. As we are over here, okay? So now down here, we had a double top over here, double top situation over here, okay, as you can see, right? What do? They ran out the liquidity, right? They ran out the liquidity, snatched the people's monies that were up here, okay? Snatched the people's monies that were up here, and now they're pushing down again, right? So now what we doing now? So basically, first of all, we know there's money down here, liquidity here, and liquidity here, because people who are buying their stop losses within this zone, yeah, or just beneath this low. Same thing here, stop losses beneath this low, right? So now look at what happened. Look at what happened with EU. So this is how I managed to get my entry with EU. So let's go to the 5-minute time frame. So that was that double top that was run. Okay, that was the double top. If I zoom all the way out, you can see it. That was a double top that was run with this candlestick. And they always push it. They always use a very strong candlestick just to break through that zone. And then they started consolidating, but you know, above consolidation, it also has liquidity, right? And so check this out. They came up once, came up twice, didn't run it. Yeah, in other words, they generated more liquidity. So they made people think that this trade was going to be dropping down, right? And then look what happened. They pushed up again. They didn't stop them. They didn't run out this liquidity up here, right? So in other words, once again, this now to retail traders became a very strong zone, right? And then finally, we got the run on liquidity, snatched all these people's money, and then we're pushing down again. So this is how I got my entry. So when they ran out the liquidity, I jumped in over here, and now we're selling it all the way down, right? So far, let's just double check how many pips it's gone total. So it's gone a total of, how many pips is that? Probably about, can't even see it. Oh, let me expand it all the way to the side. 61 pips so far. So that's been a sweet trade as well. So that's good. So guys, yeah, so that's my plain Euro USD, and my target zone is this low, right? Is this low? Let's go back to the 1 hour time frame. So my target zone for Euro USD, my target zone for Euro USD, it literally is where the money is, because this is my target zone, the liquidity. There's money down here. So in other words, look at that. They snatched the liquidity above these highs. They snatched the liquidity above these highs. And now I'm looking for them to come and start seeking the liquidity below. So snatching this one, that one, and then potentially this one too. This is my main one. And then we've got an area of imbalance down here, which is going to be the final target, right? So technically, this, I can literally move down to here. So this will be my final target. So this is roughly about a 333 pip move down. We need that dollar strength to start moving up. That would ultimately help us get to our target zone, which is down here, okay, for the double bottom. So guys, that's my target for Euro USD. That's the play on it right now. This is a swing move. Obviously, you can take TPs at whatever point as well. So like I said, on your demo accounts, if you are going to jump in on this trade, definitely start taking TPs at structure points as well, because there's nothing wrong with taking some kind of partial profits, right? There's a couple hours after now, and guys, I'm going to quickly run you through what's going on so far. I added another position when price pulled back up into the zone over here. Literally, I jumped in at 1962, suffered probably about what, 4 pips drawdown, and then it just plummeted. And then when it came back down now and pushed back up over here, this is where I jumped out of this second trade, right, with a 1 to 3 R to R, which was beautiful. And so I'm just letting it ride now. So far altogether, just from the original position, so from up here, we have dropped roughly about 93 pips. So guys, 93 pips. So that's beautiful. Nearly a 100 pip drop right there. Guys, before I forget, actually, I also dropped this analysis for the members of the channel. So check this out. Guys, yeah, on my channel now, check it out, community tab. Let's go. Once it decides to load down here, where is it? Where did I drop it? Down here. Cool. So if I click on that now, it should take me there. Cool. I was just letting people know that this was my EU setup, but I'm looking to take it all the way down to the double bottom down here. And then actually I did drop an update, like if they had taken the trade on their demo account, it would have been 54 pips in profit. Let's go. What's good, guys? So basically it's the next day, it's the 2nd of September right now, and I want to give you guys an update regarding that Euro USD trade. There's a bit of noise outside because the guard is around, but hopefully you guys can still hear me. I also forgot to show you guys the DXY yesterday, the DXY, yeah, so I'm going to go ahead and show you that now. So far we're just in the living room at the moment. We've got little man, check out his hair though. G just pulled out his hair. Okay, so she's going to do Platty's hair today. G's pulled out his hair. Looking good? You looking good, son?
Yeah.
Yeah? Yeah. He's eating his food? You going to finish your oats?
Yeah.
Let's hope so, innit? So here is Euro USD. Just to let you guys know, we are pushing. Euro USD is pushing, which is good. So for my entry, we are roughly about 130 pips deep at the moment. It's still growing, still moving down. And check this out. If I go to the 1 hour time frame now, we are within this range now. Okay, this little zone over here. We should hopefully be targeting these lows down here and then to come and start snatching all this liquidity, yeah? And also what I wanted to show you about the DXY, because I told you basically the Euro USD basically moves opposite to the DXY, okay? So basically like the DXY upside down, right? As you can see, the DXY is pushing up. This is good because it also means our Euro USD is pushing down. We got liquidity right down here, okay, above this high, okay? We got some buy side liquidity here. Also, we got that double top, you know, so like I said, the Euro USD has that double bottom, right at the bottom side down here. The DXY has a double top, okay? So this is all going to be draws on liquidity. So if the DXY continues to rise, that should mean our Euro USD is continuing to fall as well. So yes, so like I said, the DXY is moving up, which is good, showing that strength in the dollar. We got the euro pushing down. So regarding this entry yesterday, I was going to hold this trade, okay? I was going to hold this second position because basically price has pushed back up. Let me go to the 50-minute time frame. I was going to hold that position, but I said to myself, I'm going to go ahead and take this 1 to 3 R to R. That's good enough. Let my first position ride as well. When price pulls back up, that's going to be my second position for me to hold alongside this one to come and start snatching all this liquidity.